Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. Hope you're doing well. I'm going to show you a 2017 Kenworth T800 extended cab day cab today. It is a glider kit. It's built with a 3406E 550 cat, 10 speed, 46 rears, full lockers. It's only got 326,000 miles. I've gotten it hot today. I've got going to show you the oil pressure, blow by, do a full walk around for you. Let's get rolling. At operating temp, a little over 40, extremely responsive. It's on up 60, 70. Do like the Kenworth with the extended cab, gives you some extra room, especially if you're long-legged. It does have a headache rack and wet kit as well. Got a little wear and tear there, and then down on the floor where your foot's been. Blow by looks really good. Block fifth wheel, 2-line kit as well with a bigger tank. Only body or paint damage, that little scratch there. Little spider webbing. Guys, appreciate you watching. If you got questions, hit me up, 901-896-4526. Thank you.